Good morning student, myself Veena, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Government Science College, Bangalore. In this class, let us study about construction of analytic function. Analytic function. There are two methods. One is by direct method using CR equation. Second one is Milne-Thomson method. Let us solve first example by using direct method. First problem. Prove that u equals to x cube minus 3xy square is harmonic and find the analytic function whose real part is u of xy. So here we have to prove that u equal to x cube minus 3xy square is harmonic. In order to prove that it is harmonic, you show that it satisfies Laplace equation. That is, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is equal to 0, or u double x plus u double y is equal to 0. Second one, find the analytic function, that is f of z we have to find out, that is f of z is equal to u of xy plus ivxy by using CR equation. Then express it in terms of z by using the relation z is equal to x plus iy. Okay, solution. By data, u is equal to x cube minus 3xy square. So dou u by dou x is equal to 3x square minus 3y square, and dou u by dou y is equal to minus 6xy. That is differentiation of u with respect to x. Similarly, dou square u by dou x square, that is second derivative of u with respect to x, is 6x square, 6x not x square, 6x, and dou square u by dou y square is equal to minus 6x. Therefore, we observe that dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is equal to 6x minus 6x equals to 0. Hence, u of xy is harmonic, since it satisfies the Laplace equation. Let v of xy be the harmonic conjugate. Harmonic conjugate of u therefore dv is equal to dou v by dou x into dx plus dou v by dou y into dy, or dou v by dou x is equal to minus dou u by dou y by using CR equation, plus dou v by dou y is dou u by dou x into dy, or minus dou u by dou y is minus 6xy dx plus dou u by dou x is 3x square minus 3y square into dy. This is dv. Now integrating, it becomes v is equal to integration of minus 6xy dx plus 3x square minus 3y square dy. So integration of minus 6xy dx plus 3x square minus 3y square with respect to dy. So it is an exact equation, that is it is in the form of m dx plus n dy, where m is equal to minus 6xy and n equals to 3x square minus 3y square. So dou m by dou y is equal to minus 6x and dou n by dou x is equal to 6x. See, after here it is minus of minus, it becomes plus. So similarly plus and plus, since therefore dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x, therefore it is exact. Therefore its integration v is equal to integration of m with respect to x plus terms of n containing only y or constant into dy, that is equal to m is integration of m is 6xy plus with respect to x plus terms of n containing only y or constant is minus 3y square with respect to dy plus c. Now integration of this with respect to x is 6x square y by 2 minus plus into minus minus. Now integration is 3y cube by 3 plus c, or 3x square y minus y cube plus c. Now f of z is equal to u plus iv. U is x cube minus 3xy square, it is given, plus I into v is 3x square y minus y cube plus c, ic, or this is nothing but x cube minus iy cube minus 3xy square plus 3ix square y plus ic. This is expansion of x plus iy whole cube plus ic, where x plus I cube is nothing but z cube plus ic, or c1, where c1 is equal to I into c, which is the required analytic function. So it is construction of analytic function using direct method, that is by using the concept of CR equation we can find out. Next method is Milne-Thomson method. It is in the next class. Thank you.